So, ladies and gentlemen, in the row, the next is once again good friend of mine. अच्छा सारे ही good friend हैं तो assume कर लेना, है ना? तन्हाई में दम घुटता है, लगता है मर जाएंगे, दीवारों को कब तक आखिर अपना हाल सुनाएंगे। खुद गर्जों के शहर में ऐ दिल, कोई किसी का दोस्त नहीं, किस दरवाजे दस्तक देंगे, हाथ कहाँ फैलाएंगे।
वाह वाह।
हमदर्दी का मरहम है दिल, इन लोगों के पास नहीं। तुम्हारा जिक्र नहीं कर रहा। हमदर्दी का मरहम है दिल, इन लोगों के पास नहीं, सबके हाथों में नश्तर हैं, किसको जख्म दिखाएं। तन्हाई में दम घुटता है, लगता है इस शेर का ना मेरे से ना किसी भी कोई मतलब नहीं है। ये आ गया तो हमने पढ़ दिया और ऐसे मैं शाम तक पढ़ता रहूंगा जितना दिल पे मत लेना। So ladies and gentlemen,
बहुतों के दिल से निकला है ये शेर।
हाय हाय, तभी मैं इसीलिए बोल रहा था, मतलब ये ज्यादा इस पे सोचना नहीं। एक बार हम ऐसे ही शेर पढ़े, पीछे से आवाज आई दिल जले, मैं भाई ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, पसंद है तो पढ़ रहा हूँ। और कमाल की बात है, सब दूसरों के लिखे होते हैं, मेरा लिखा हुआ एक भी नहीं जी। अपने आप से ही अब दहशत लगने लगी है अब हमको, खुद से ही बेजार हुए हम, चैन किसे दे पाएंगे, तन्हाई में दम घुटता है, लगता है मर जाएंगे। So ladies and gentlemen, presenting next is the Commander Dr. Vikshit, जिनकी बहुत सारी किताबों से लेटेस्ट किताब है
दो शब्द सर। एक्चुअली दिस इज इनजस्टिस टू मी जब विनीत साहब बोलते हैं दो शब्द, क्योंकि मैं पंजाबी में सोचता हूँ, उसके बाद ट्रांसलेट करता हूँ, फिर मैं बोलता हूँ, तो मुझे 6 शब्द होने चाहिए। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल माई हार्टफेल्ट थैंक्स टू मैम निधि गेरा। शी इज द वुमन बिहाइंड अ मैन हु हैज क्रिएटेड दिस फोरम। एंड विनीत साहब के तो है ही है, वो हमने एक कहानी सुनी थी ना कि एक कोई बांसुरी बजाने वाला आया था, उसके पीछे पीछे लोग चलने शुरू हो गए थे। इन्होंने आधा देश तो अपने पीछे लगा लिया, बाकी लग जाएगा। तो अभी एक छोटी सी मैं बताता हूं अबाउट किताबों की बात हो रही तो किताब की करनी पड़ेगी। हम सबमरीन पे सेल करते थे 40-40 दिन अंडर वाटर, तो हमारे जो सीओ साहब थे ना, हम उनको जो बोलते थे वो 2-3 दिन बाद हमें ही वो बता देते थे ये काम करना। तो हम जितने यंगस्टर थे ना, हम हंसते थे। अच्छा एक दिन ना थोड़ी सी ज्यादा चढ़ गई हमको सबको, दैट वाज जस्ट 2-3 years ago। तो हमने बोला यार उसको ना हम एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं। हमने ना व्हाट्सएप का एक फॉरवर्ड बनाया, 15-20 उसमें हेडिंग लिखी है। अभी हेडिंग क्या लिखे जो हम बचपन में किया करते थे, पेड़ पे चढ़ना, टीवी का एक न्यूज चैनल देखना, साइकिल पे चंडीगढ़ की सड़कों पे चक्कर लगाने। और हुआ क्या, 2 हफ्ते के बाद वही फॉरवर्ड हमारे पास ऑफिस आ गया। तो मुझे लगा ये बड़ी इफेक्टिव चीज है, तो नाम रखा गया नॉस्टैल्जिक बाइट्स, ग्रोइंग अप इन 60s, 70s एंड 80s। और देन आई स्पोक टू अ वर्ल्ड रिनोन्ड प्रोफेसर कॉल्ड प्रोफेसर दीप्ति गुप्ता। मैंने कहा दीप्ति आप मेरे साथ प्लीज किताब कीजिए। मैंने उनको ये नहीं बताया कि मैं उनका नाम क्यों ले रहा था, उनको क्यों रिक्वेस्ट किया. शी एग्रीड एंड द बुक इज आउट. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग बुक बाय द वे. अभी मैं बता दूं मैंने प्रोफेसर दीप्ति गुप्ता को क्यों बोला. मेरी जो दूसरी बुक थी जिसने मुझे एक अच्छी लाइन में खड़ा कर दिया, कर्सी अगेन मैम निधि गेरा वाया विनीत गेरा. एक रिसर्च स्कॉलर बच्ची ऑक्सफोर्ड में पीएचडी कर रही थी, ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. उसके टेबल पे पड़ी थी वो बुक जो उसने खरीदी थी. उसकी सुपरवाइजर आई गोरी मैम, उसने किताब को पीछे घुमाया, देखा वहां पे प्रोफेसर दीप्ति का एक ब्लग था. कहते ओ प्रोफेसर दीप्ति गुप्ता इज गिवन अ ब्लग. किताब उसने खोली, फॉरवर्ड पढ़ा, उसके कान खड़े हो गए. किताब पढ़ी, कहती ओ ऐसे करके 35 कॉपियां ऑक्सफोर्ड लाइब्रेरी में पहुंच गई. उसके बाद और पंचायत विनीत गेरा जी ने इनको पता था कैसे करते हैं इंटरनेशनल ट्रांजैक्शन एंड ऑल दैट. उसके बाद एवरी आईवी लीग लाइब्रेरी, वो एक्चुअली प्यार मोहब्बत के बारे में किताब है, हर बंदा उसका मारा हुआ है. द बुक इज कॉल्ड मैनिफेस्टिंग लव, डीप डाइव इनटू माइथोलॉजी, एस्ट्रोलॉजी, साइकोलॉजी, मिस्ट्री एंड रियलिटी. ये सारे मेरे शौक है, मेरे पैशन है. और मैंने 22 साल नेवी में काटे हैं, 12 साल शिप बिल्डिंग इन गुजरात इन अ प्लेस कॉल्ड पिपावाव, एंड 5 years in academics. I was the dean of management study in a university. फिर एक दिन फोन आया, मैंने कहा जब तक हाथ पैर चल रहे हैं फिर से काम किया जाए. Now I am chief operating officer of one of the ship building and ship repair company in a place called Karwar. Thank you so much for being so patient to me, and Vineet ji for giving me this platform. By the way, this book was launched with the who's who of Chandigarh on 17th of July. And everybody has conveyed their regard to this forum. I told them that the Hyderabad forum is just like you, minus a typical Punjabi snobbishness which comes from a dharti of that place. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Great. Thank you so much, sir. अब 2 मिनट बने रहिएगा because the book is also co-written by Dr. Deepti. So आज वो किन्हीं कारणों से नहीं आ पाई हैं. उसके बिहाफ पे I would like to invite श्रीमती निधि गेरा to receive the award, please, on behalf of Dr. Deepti. The copy, please. This goes to Professor Dr. Deepti.
What are you selling? Computer ही है ना?
कभी भी निकाल करके
चीनी डालिए कि बिना चीनी बिना चीनी
चीनी वाली नहीं चाहिए, चीनी वाली नहीं चाहिए। हाँ, ये फिक्की है ना।
Thank you so much इतना जबरदस्त मेरा स्वागत करने के लिए. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite now Dr. Mahipati Srinivas to receive his award. Can we have a round of applause for Dr. Mahipati Srinivas Rao for the book?
Hello. Hi everyone. I say hi, say hello. Hi.
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 Hello.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Vinitji, for making this to happen. And I'm very much inspired by Vinitji, the way he's organizing the events, and also I never thought that I'll become an author. He made me an author too.
Thank you.
As you know that the most important thing for anyone to be successful in their life is soft skills. So, and Dr. Mahipati Srinivas working as a director and associate professor at Anurag University, where I have seen thousands of students where they lack these soft skills. So I also appreciate Vinitji for bringing up this career counseling course, and also the sister for being with me for all the time whenever I take any initiation. Thank you, Gayatri. Thank you, my mother. Thanks a lot. Thank you. She's my sister. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Once again, a good friend of mine, Sumita Datta. She has written a poetry book, Colors of Life. Can we have a round of applause for Sumita Datta? Anji?
Everybody, I feel very privileged to be here today along with all the authors, and let me tell you, my name is Sumita, as you can see, and I'm not a poet, I'm not an author. My friends and family, they call me, I'm a natural poet or poetess, and I didn't prepare for today what I should talk, so as I'm a natural poet, probably I'll talk naturally. Writing a book is probably one of my passions. As by profession I'm in IT, by passion I'm into writing. See, here also I'm writing energy. You taught me basically. So writing, I have written a lot of poems, and then one day I just called up Vinitji and I said that this is before, and as usual he said ho jayega, and that's how this book has been published. And I have another passion, which is I try to do my bit for the society when I'm not working, when I'm not with my family, little bit time I get. I am not a movie person, I'm not a person who spends time into other things. Probably I try to do my bit for the society. So this book, the proceed from this book, what comes to me, 100% goes for charity. This book is there in Amazon, the paperback version and the Kindle version, and if you buy this book, I'm sure you will join your hands along with me to do our bit for the society.
क्या बात है, बहुत बढ़िया.
My niece is here today. I'd like to call her because can you come, Subrita?
Please do join.
So you can give this to her. So I'll just tell you, this book is not my book. This is my family's book. Everybody's book. My son, my nieces, my sisters, everybody has contributed to read, edit, and the cover design has been designed by my sister. She is an artist. Again, by profession, she is working with Geo, but by passion, she is an artist. So please buy this book. Do your bit for the society. Thank you, please.
Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Can we have a round of applause for Sumita Datta? Great. एक व्यक्ति के बस के नहीं होते, तो हमारी भी इसके पीछे बहुत बड़ी टीम है. तकरीबन मेरे से कोई पूछता है आपकी कंपनी में कितने लोग काम करते हैं, 105 लोग काम करते हैं 5, लेकिन मैं अकेला 100 के बराबर हूँ. 105 हो जाते हैं. Okay. Quickly, I would like to acknowledge my team also. Here we have Miss Barkha. Barkha ma'am, hello बोलते. सुरेखा, राजेश्वरी, मेरी फैमिली से तो आप सब मिले चुके हो. अली, और उसके अलावा वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इंटर, जो जितना भी आज आप डिजाइनिंग देख रहे हो, चाहे वो ट्रॉफी का है, सर्टिफिकेट का है, जितना भी पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन है, इज डन बाय अनन्या आहूजा. कैन वी हैव अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर दिस यंग गर्ल. थैंक यू सो मच. और इसके अलावा जो भी हमारी टीम में है, मिस्टर साइड, हु इज अ पैशनेट फोटोग्राफर, इज नॉट ओनली अ फोटोग्राफर, पैशनेट फोटोग्राफर. उनके साथ we have a colleague who is on video. We have 2 guys on ढोल, जिनको मैं रामोजी फिल्म सिटी के जमाने से जानता हूँ. मतलब till that time they were my artists. और गुलाब जी कहाँ है? गुलाब जी अच्छा बाहर है. तो गुलाब जी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद for providing us the ढोल team today. और आज हमारे रंजीत साहब नहीं है, नहीं तो रंजीत is one of my favorite ढोल player इनकी टीम में से. और he looks like B Paran. ग्रेट. चलिए जी, तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट ऑथर इज साइकोलॉजिस्ट, करियर स्ट्रेटेजिस्ट एंड पेरेंटिंग कोच, एंड शी इज फ्रॉम फरीदाबाद. एनी गेसेस? हेलो. प्रीति वोरा. कैन वी हैव अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज? And so many different emotional traumas of an individual which a person goes through. Ma'am, over to you for your book. हाँ जी, अच्छा ठीक है, चलेगा.
Good morning, very good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you so much for being here, and in advance, I would like to thank you. So whatever you are going to listen, yeah? Give me a raise of hand if everyone, any one of you have ever felt that you are exhausted, not physically, but emotionally, or you have ever felt that you कि मैं उसकी जैसी क्यों नहीं हो सकती या हो सकता, मेरी लाइफ में कभी तो खुशी क्यों नहीं आई, मैं इतना कर तो रहा हूँ लेकिन अभी तक स्टार्ट क्यों नहीं हुआ. Give me a raise of hand if any one of you feel like this. Yeah, thank you so much for showing up, because actually we all somewhere in our heart feel like this. And you know, this does not mean that we are not good enough. This just means that we are just emotionally overloaded or overburdened. Nothing else. It is not like this that we are not working. We are just not working on our emotions. We are not giving place to our emotions actually. And that is how this book was born. Actually, I was working tirelessly, endlessly with people, and this gave rise to this book. You know, when many of the clients which I was working with, every time they came up with such kind of things that I asked you also to raise your hand about. So this gave birth to this book, and then I mentioned each and everything of this kind in this book, that is self-parenting, because you can't parent others. Here in others I count even my kids. You can't parent others, lead others, love others if you can't do it for yourself, because you want that for yourself first. You need to know your feelings first, what you want to listen. You need to listen what you are feeling from inside. So this book contains everything, like when you don't feel emotionally good, so this book has that. Motivation is actually not coming from outside. Motivation is actually an emotion, and that comes when you are emotionally strong. When you are having some emotion about the purpose that you want to achieve. So this book contains about that. The inner parenting, inner child healing, self-parenting. This book contains each and everything. And thank you all of you for showing up that yes, you feel like this, and this book definitely is a takeaway for you. So grab your copy today, because you will really enjoy it. Even though if you read even a single page of this every night before sleeping, you will really come out of what you are feeling. In the end, I would like to thank my family, my parents, and the Honorable our publisher Vineet Jalaji.
Thank you.
For bringing this out.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and many congratulations once again. तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. So now, next few awards, wherein people have not been able to come, I would like to invite Mr. Ravish Malhotra on the stage to receive the award of. और आप यहीं बने रहना, because अगले 3-4 हम आप भी लेके जाते हैं, है ना? So this is about the book Commanding Excellence. It goes to Major General Balraj Mehta. तालियां चलती रहनी चाहिए, म्यूजिक चलता रहना चाहिए. For the book Vastu Wife, Dr. Shalini Mehta she's also not able to come today. So उनके behalf पे once again Ravish Malhotra ji Mr. Manish Sharma for the book 4 Keys of Personality Profiling. नहीं आ पाए हैं और ये रमेश पलूसा Okay. So once again, now coming back to the next. The next author is once again a very good friend of mine. ये तो मैंने पहले बता दिया था. But the person who has seen all my ups and downs since last around 12-13 years, and today he is receiving the award for this book. It's called First Step of Money. It's written in Telugu language, and the gentleman is none other than Money Guru Dr. Raj Shekhar. He is known as Money Guru in the Telugu state. Many congratulations to you. Removing it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more thing before I hand over the mic to him, because time to हमने 3 minutes ही देना है. The another good thing is both of us were sitting together in our office, and we discussed on some topic, and finally we give it a shape of a book. क्योंकि घर का publishing house है, हम ही नहीं करेंगे तो फिर कौन करेगा? And the title of book is very interesting. It says, God is on leave.
Wow.
So, ladies and gentlemen, written by me and Dr. Raj Shekhar. Briefly talk about the concept of the book and how it is started. First step of money.
Better you would have not given me the mic. देख के बोलते हो मत बात करो क्या है यार ये? Okay. And this is the what we call होता है ना कभी-कभी अजूबा जो होता है अपनी लाइफ में उनमें से एक ये है. The concept of this book is designed, confined and framed in 5 minutes.
Yes.
Just 5 minutes. मैं उनके ऑफिस में गया, कुछ कहीं और प्रोग्राम से मैं आ रहा था, आते आते मैं बोला यार ये ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? तो उन्होंने कुछ कमेंट किया, मैंने कुछ कमेंट किया. Why don't we turn it into a book? बोला 5 मिनट के अंदर फ्रेमवर्क हो गया, टॉपिक्स डिसाइड हो गए, फिर मैं घर गया, 24 घंटे के अंदर अंदर मैंने उनको फ्रेमवर्क दे दी, फिर उन्होंने इसको डेवलप किया. This book is in front of you.
Wow, wonderful.
I humbly say, this book was not written by us in any way. This book is not at all written by us in any way. This book had came through us on its own. Because कभी होता है ना अपने ऑफिस में छुट्टी लगाते हैं तो लीव लेटर देते हैं ना, तो God had given leave letter through us. So that's what it is. Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a question regarding the poster. Although the poster is pretty controversial to me, I'm just sharing this part. So there must be some reason behind, any conviction reason that you have that poster and the title.
This one.
The God is on leave and the poster.
This one.
Image.
Yeah, this one generally it is a pedestal on which the God's idol used to be there. So that is missing here.
So there some thought process you must have now before you have created this.
Yes, that's what
Yeah,
I'm saying.
I just want to.
Usually what we do, we used to imagine God on pedestal. So on the pedestal he is missing.
Okay.
So he is on leave.
Yeah, so I need that reason basically. I needed that the thought process basically.
He's asking for the reason that.
That's what I say. So we want to express that God is on leave. So first we have to create a situation where he is present.
Okay.
Then we have to make him absent. तो ये आ गया प्रेजेंस उनका, ये हो गया एब्सेंस उनका, अब ये हो गया इंसान जो भी बोल रहे अरे अभी तो तू यहाँ था, ये सीट पे बंदा था, अभी कहाँ गया, बंदा छुट्टी पर गया. That's the our credit goes to Vinny, creative, the most creative guy. And he's they are very much many इनके ऊपर मुझे बहुत सारे कंप्लेंट, वो मेरे किताब का है. इस बारे में हो गया. अब इसके बारे में आपको कहना है. This is first step to money magnet. This book, humbly I say that after being listed in Amazon, it reached Amazon bestseller in 48 hours. I say to people humbly. Okay? The truth is, it was in 6 hours.
Oh wow.
This cannot be read at 6 hours. Then I was in some other town, maybe in Mumbai or somewhere I was there. He said, sir, today in the morning we are posting it in Amazon. Morning. By noon he called me and said, he sent me direct a photograph of bestseller. अब 6 घंटे में हो गया. अब 6 घंटे में फटाला, I say to the outside people, I have many doubts that people will not believe. इसीलिए मैं बोला नहीं 48 घंटे. People were comfortable with it. It's okay. I wanted to make people comfortable.
Believable हो गया.
Believable हो गया. मतलब ठीक है 48 hours में आप ऐसे खुश रहो, हम ऐसे खुश रहो. So this magic man does many things like that. आप कुछ भी बोलो, एक ही जवाब आएगा. हो जाएगा. तो ये भी ऐसा हो ही जाएगा. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. He says that God has created a set automatic system which works. You need not approach, you understand the system, understand the mechanism, understand the law of universe, and you are sorted with it. Right? चलिए बाकी की डिटेल इसमें है, and we have kept a lot of examples from Ramayana, Mahabharata, and so many different small stories are there, which proves that it's an automated system.
That God was never on duty.
Yeah, just one example is the ecosystem of God, amplification system of God. Whatever you give to the mother universe, it will multiply and comes back to you. So he's only created a system, right? You need to understand. चलिए जी आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now I would like to invite हमारी ऐसी author जो कि हमारे initial set of authors, initial 100, initial 50 में से I would say is one, and she is a personal branding expert, and she is from Delhi, NCR, whatever you call it. Any guesses? Nidhi Tyagi for the book Evolve as a Brand. बाद इन्होंने 4 किताबें और लिखी हैं. She is author of 5 books, but today she is receiving the award because बाकी 4 अगले 4 साल के लिए अवार्ड लेंगे. And for this award, she registered last year award के तुरंत बाद. After looking at the videos कि next year मुझे भी आना है, she was the first one to register. Over to you.
Thank you, sir. First of all, thank you to the Vijaya sir for honoring me this award. Thanks a lot. So, sir, last time आना चाहती थी, आ नहीं पाए हम लोग. Okay. So, I'm a personal brand expert or personal brand coach, marketing and automation consultant. So, about this book, Evolve as a Brand. So, when I talk about personal branding, people ask me, so what is personal branding? So personal branding is about being unique. Now they ask me, so Nidhi, it means, do we need to do unique things to be unique? So this is the question. Do you also think that? Like, to be unique, we need to do unique things. Yeah? Right? Okay. So let me explain you this. My answer is no. We don't need to do unique things to be unique. I will explain you with one short story of mine. So Sanipal knows that and he remembers that story, you know, right? So I was in class 6th. I was a fanatic shoe shiner. I used to polish my shoes daily before going to school, daily, right? And not only that, I used to keep a duster in my bag. Whenever there is even a small dust on my shoes, I used to dust it off, right? And very soon I became famous for my ever shining shoes. Famous in entire college among students and the teachers. So, does that mean that no one else in the school was polishing their shoes? Does that mean that? No. So, you don't need to do unique things to be unique. Your passion, your dedication, your unique way to do that makes you unique.
Correct.
Yeah?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So this is about personal branding, and this is what my book tells about how to be a personal brand. Evolve as a brand. Thank you, that's it from me.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot, and once again, many congratulations to you. Huge round of applause for Nidhi Ji Tyagi. मेंबर हैं टी ट्रेनर्स कैंप के, सब लोग जानते हैं, और अपना अवार्ड लेने से पहले वो 4 बार किसी और का अवार्ड ले चुके हैं. So ladies and gentlemen, huge round of applause for Ravish Malhotra for his book Easy to Balance.
इस बार मैं अपने अवार्ड के लिए आया हूँ, मैं बता दूं, किसी और के लिए नहीं आया. ओके. So the story goes round about 10 years since the time I know गेरा साहब. पहली बुक नहीं, दूसरी है. पहले की कहानी बाद में बता देंगे. So I wrote the first one in 2019 and probably this year only in January I said to him, sir, बहुत जोर से दोबारा आ रहा है, एक बुक और लिखते हैं, थॉट्स काफी हैं, फ्रेमवर्क तैयार है, मैं आपको मेल करता हूँ. और बोले कब लॉन्च करना चाहते हो? मैंने कहा there's a TDC camp happening on 3rd and 4th of February and we are on 21st January. And he says, हो जाएगा. जो इनका फेवरेट डायलॉग है कि हो जाएगा. So the book is titled Busy to Balance. And it is a journey that I have lived my entire life. And it's for everybody, all students, trainers, coaches, businessmen, normal, common people. Very simple techniques, which most of them tried on first on myself, and I forced my family members to try it, to just understand whether it is working there or not. And it will help you to improve your day-to-day productivity in whatever business, in whatever profession you are. Whether you could be a class 5 student, you could be a CEO, you could be a CXO. It will help you to improve your day-to-day productivity. And the book is on Amazon and Flipkart both. और इसके सारे पैसे या तो गेरा जी को मिलते हैं या मुझे मिलते हैं. क्लियर कर दूं. And because I know there's going to be a Gurukul Book Awards next year as well. तो सर उसके थॉट्स अभी से आने शुरू हो गए हैं. Because I couldn't come last year, the first book received the award last year. This year, after Nidhi, I was the second person because we were engaged in same assignment last year, so we couldn't come. And so I hope that third year also I make the hat trick and I complete.
हो जाएगा.
हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Thank you very much. And एक बार गेरा साहब के लिए जोरदार तालियां. बिकॉज आप लोगों ने रामायण में जामवंत का कंसेप्ट सुना होगा, तो ये हम सबके जामवंत जी, तो जामवंत जी की जय हो. Thank you so much, sir. And once again, many congratulations to you.
Great. प्रभु दिल्ली से हैं और बहुत अच्छी किताब इन्होंने लिखी थी, मतलब लिखी है. इज ऑन प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन को कैसे कॉन्कर करना है ना. लेकिन मजे की बात यह है कि इनकी दूसरी किताब में खुद से प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट हो रही है. हमारे पास आई नहीं है, तो हम चाहते हैं जल्दी से इनकी दूसरी किताब भी आ जाए. सुशील वर्मा जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां.
वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग. थोड़ा सा जोर से एनर्जी आ जाए. थैंक यू सो मच. यहाँ इतने प्यारे प्यारे लोगों को देख के ना दिल बहुत खुश हो गया. और कल की शाम तो बड़ी लाजवाब थी. यहाँ पे एमजे और निधि 1, निधि 2, निधि 3. चौथी निधि.
एक श्रीनिधि भी है.
विंग कमांडर राकेश कुमार प्राचर, गेरा साहब, विपुल जी कहाँ हैं? हाँ, इतना एनर्जी से भरी थी कल की शाम, मैं आपको बयान नहीं कर सकता. तो ये सारे लोगों को देख के ना मुझे एक माली की याद आ गई, जिसने अपने फूल में, अपने बगिया में बहुत सुंदर सुंदर फूल खिलाए थे, जिसकी खुशबू से पूरा का पूरा बाग महक उठा था. ये हैदराबाद में रहते हैं. इन्होंने क्या किया, इतने प्यारे मोती की माला बनाई जिसकी खुशबू पूरी दुनिया में फैल गई. बड़ी तालियां बनती हैं इनके लिए. मैं अपनी बुक को डेडिकेट करता हूँ हम सबकी फैमिली के लिए, जिनका सपोर्ट सिस्टम हमारे पीछे हमेशा रहा है. और हमारे दोस्त विंग कमांडर राकेश कुमार प्राशर, जिन्होंने मुझे बहुत मोटिवेट किया ये बुक लिखने के लिए, वो यहीं मौजूद हैं. गुरुकुल जहाँ होता है वहाँ होती है ग्रोथ, गाइडेंस और ग्रेस. वो सब हमें इनसे मिला.
थैंक यू सर.
हर लेवल पे मिला है. ऐसा कभी कोई मौका नहीं था जब इन्होंने फोन ना उठाया और ये ना कहा आई एम विद यू, या हो जाएगा जो इनका पे डायलॉग है. मैं अब अपनी किताब के बारे में बताता हूँ. मैं पूरी जिंदगी प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करता था और मेरी मिसेज हमेशा कंप्लेन करती थी कि सुशील तुमसे ये काम नहीं होता. तो जब मैंने रिसर्च किया कि ये वजह क्या है, तो मुझे मालूम चला कि ये लेजीनेस नहीं है. जो पूरी जिंदगी में हमने दुख सहे होते हैं या ट्रॉमास होते हैं या हमारे ट्रिगर्स होते हैं, वो ट्रिगर्स सबकॉन्शियस में जगह बना लेते हैं, जिसकी वजह से ये हमेशा एक मन में सबसे पहला ये ख्याल आता है यार कल कर लेंगे. तो मैंने इसके ऊपर 12 साल रिसर्च किया कि इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या है, सबकॉन्शियस को कैसे साफ करें, उसकी प्लेट को कैसे धोएं. तो रिसर्च करते करते मुझे बहुत सारे मेथोडोलॉजी आए, वो मैंने इस बुक में लिखे कि हम अपना प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन कैसे दूर कर सकते हैं. तो मैं काफी चेंज हुआ। अब मेरी मिसेज को काफी सालों से मुझसे शिकायत नहीं है। उनसे सुननी है ना, बिल्कुल। तो दिल्ली आओ ना, फिर मिलते हैं।
इसके ऊपर भी एक बुक लिखी है। आपने बोला कि शिकायत नहीं हुई, इसके ऊपर एक बुक लिखी है।
नहीं, छोटी मोटी शिकायत तो जरूर होती है और उसमें भी बहुत मजा है। कुछ शिकायतें ना हो तो जिंदगी बिल्कुल नीरस हो जाए। तो ये बुक लिखी मैंने, और उसके बाद में और बहुत सारे आइडिया दिमाग में आए, क्योंकि इसका भी एक मेन रीजन लो एनर्जी लेवल भी था। तो मैंने कहा एनर्जी लेवल कैसे बढ़ाया जाए। फिर उसके बहुत सारे विचार दिमाग में आए, क्योंकि जब एनर्जी लेवल ज्यादा होता है ना, तो हम सोचते नहीं, एक्शन लेते हैं। कहाँ है एमजे, कहाँ है? हाँ, वो एक्शन लेडी है, एक्शन क्वीन। तो अब जब एक्शन हम लेते हैं और काम करते हैं तो प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन दूर हो जाता है। दूसरी बात, हम चीजों को चेज नहीं करते, चीजें अपनी तरफ अपने आप अट्रैक्ट होती हैं। हमारे जिंदगी में हर्डल नहीं होती, एक फ्लो होता है। विपुल जी कहाँ है? ही इज एक्सपर्ट ऑन फ्लो। और जब फ्लो होता है ना, तो 10x परफॉर्मेंस हमें मिलती ही मिलती है। 4 लाइनों के साथ, वो घंटी बज गई अभी। 4 लाइनों के साथ मैं चाहूंगा कि हम सब मोटिवेटेड रहें, लिखते रहें और साहब का आशीर्वाद देते रहें। बिजली हो तुम, चमक दिखा दो। बिजली हो तुम, आप सब लोगों को समर्पित। बिजली हो तुम, चमक दिखा दो। थके हुए दिल को जिंदा बना दो। जीतने का जज्बा साथ ले आओ, अंधेरों में भी रोशनी जला दो। थैंक यू सो मच।
बहुत बढ़िया सर, thank you so much, and once again many congratulations to you sir. Can we have a round of applause for Sushi वर्मा जी? चाहूंगा, एक हमारे बहुत प्यारे मित्र हैं, उम्र में हालांकि हम बड़े हैं हमारे से, पर हमारे दोस्ती हैं, भाई ही हैं, और किताब है उनकी सेफ्टी पे, बिकॉज ही इज द सेफ्टी एक्सपर्ट, विंग कमांडर डॉक्टर राकेश कुमार पराशर जी। सेफ्टी लीडरशिप के लिए जोरदार तालियां। जन्मदिन भी है, बहुत अच्छी सेहत दे, और इससे बढ़िया मौका कोई हो ही नहीं सकता। तो हम सबकी तरफ से आपको जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं, और बुक लॉन्च और अवार्ड के लिए तो है ही है।
थैंक यू वेरी मच। अगर एक और अवार्ड दोगे, 3 मिनट से ज्यादा बोल दोगे तो घंटी मत बजाना।
जी
फ्रेंड्स, इट्स अ प्लेजर टू बी हियर टुडे। और उम्र की बात की है, एक्चुअली आई एम जस्ट 20 years old. I've got 48 years of experience, which I have tried to put in this book, but my age is just 20. And जैसे अभी सुशील वर्मा जी ने कहा था, मैन ऑफ एक्शन, लेडी ऑफ एक्शन, I always believe in action. Well, this book, how did this book come about? Friends, Vipul, he says luck के ऊपर you should just go with the flow. This is exactly what this book also says. Luck is the biggest enemy of safety, or we all are culprits. Each one of us is a culprit in the sense that we actually ignore safety. We ignore safety, we jump red lights, we break rules and all that, but yet we are still alive. So much so, friends, आपको मैं बताऊंगा, the world का population is approximately about 8 billion today. 3 billion people go to work every day with hopes in their heart, dreams in their eyes. They go on their 2 feet, but almost every 12 seconds, one death takes place in the workplace. Every 12 seconds. That means over 7,800 people come back home on 4 shoulders. That's how tragic the situation is. And somehow nobody has ever addressed it. The reason is basically because we are running for business excellence, but we are not even bothered about our personal excellence. So this book was born with the intention so that we make more and more safety leaders. People should love themselves. Somebody said that in the morning. We should love ourselves. If we don't love ourselves, we cannot love our family, we cannot love our society, we cannot love our country. So that is exactly what, love ourselves, and then try, make sure that you follow the rules and regulations and ultimately become a safety leader. This book is highly inspired by the Bhagavad Gita. Each of my chapters starts with the Bhagavad Gita quote, और एक Bhagavad Gita का श्लोक है, दातव्यमिति यद्दानं दीयते अनुकारिणे देशे काले च पात्रे च तद्दानं सात्विकं स्मृतम्. That means the best gift that you can give to anybody is the gift of life. Can there be a gift better than that? A gift which is given to people without any expectation, to the right person at the right time, without any expectation, is the best gift. That's called a sattvic gift, or life se bada koi gift ho nahi sakta. So this is inspired by that shlok. And when I say safety leadership, there's another shlok which says, Yatta charat shreshta tat tat devatro jana sayyat praman gurute devastad anuvartate. Each one of us is a leader. And when we are leading, there are lots of people, unseen people, who follow us subconsciously and unconsciously. So people will do what you do. When you're sitting in a position of dignity, people will actually start doing what you are doing. They will consider you to be a role model. So please understand that we should be role models for the society, and encourage people also to follow safety and do lead by example as this. And finally, friends, there is another beautiful shlok from the Bhagavad Gita which says, which talks about soft skills and hard skills. Tasmat sarveshu kaleshu mam anusmarayutya mayarpit manur buddhi mam nivashasya sanchayam. It is not only about talking about having hard skills. The importance is of having soft skills in life also. So if you have soft skills, only along with hard skills, IQ and EQ, when you have both of them, you are bound to succeed. And that exactly, friends, is what this book is all about. It is not about making money, it's not about doing, it is only about making businesses safe and people safe. Thank you very much, Vinitji, for making my dream come true. I'm coming to you on 21st of December again this year. This book is dedicated to my father, who also is a retired Indian Air Force officer. He also was a wing commander. So this book was released last year on his 95th birthday. The next book is titled Safety Gita, from where I'm drawing inspiration, and which I intend to launch on 21st of December this year. अगले साल का मेरा booking अभी से कर रहा हूँ मैं. So I'm the first time.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. देखिए तालियां बजाएंगे. चलिए जी, अब जिनको मैं बुलाने वाला हूँ, हालांकि बहुत नया नया संपर्क हुआ हमारा, बट थोड़े ही दिनों में वो उनका बुक भी हो गया, राइट? द मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट वाज सो वेरी नीट एंड क्लीन, so that it hardly took us any effort to come up with the book and launch the book. So now I would like to invite Dr. Chandrasekhar DP sir for the book Teetotaler में 2000 तालियों का congratulations. Co-author, जो कि इनके धर्मपत्नी हैं, Fabiola Romo. Everyone, please to join
Good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon.
As Vineet ji rightly said, I came in contact with him very recently. Both of us actually never met him before today. It was all conversation on the telephone and emails. And the irony is we both, in fact, three of us live in Hyderabad. But the one thing I want to tell before even I go into the depth of this book is all of you kept on saying that Vineet ji's favorite dialogue is Ho Jayega. But the power behind that dialogue is what I realized in the short conversation of maybe 2 weeks. See, when we write a book, all of us are authors here, and when we write a book, we are also taking a big risk. Because we are exposing ourselves through those pages, through those paragraphs, through those lines and words, as to will we be able to make sense to the reader. The one person, without even looking at what is your composition, believes in you is the publisher. And that is where I respect Vineet ji and Gurukul Publishing, because the minute somebody connected us, there was a common friend, but when I said that this is about toddlers and this is about parenting, he said again in his own categorical way, Ho Jayega. So thank you Vineet ji, thank you Gurukul for this particular recognition. Now coming to this book, both my wife and I, whenever we watch these OTT series, especially after COVID, all of us have been hooked to OTT channels. When we see especially these crime thrillers and Indian versions of them, invariably it goes back to their childhood. It goes back to their childhood, and there is somebody giving them a harsh experience, and sometimes, and the worst times, are the parents themselves, where they ill-treat and mistreat or whatever may be the situation, that creates a scar in the heart and minds of children. Today, in fact, we come from a background of running schools. Over 19 years, we run a Toddlers Early Years Center in the same name. That's why the name of the book, The Toddler's Way. And then we also have K-12 schools and universities. But then we have met over 5,000, 6,000 parents who look at providing for children as their best way of parenting. Good communication or good iPads or good clothes, good cradles, good apartments and good lifestyle, and they are good parents. But we all know the fact that scientifically over 85% of a child's brain gets developed below the age of 5. And that's why this book, the first 2000 days, the 5 years of parenting. Lastly, friends and ladies and gentlemen, books are not meant to fill the bookshelves. They are meant to fill the minds. But if we are lucky, and I wish all of us at this Gurukul Book Award 2025 are lucky that our books fill the hearts of our readers. With that, I conclude and thank you once again.
इतना बोलने का मौका उन्होंने दे दिया आज 1 वीक के लिए हो गया.
No, I would want to appreciate everyone also here. I think all of you all are also inspiring authors. This took us also a while to start this, something of our own. So I would appreciate and make everyone also read this book, because for young parents, this is what is the need of the hour. Thank you once again.
Thank you.